Hey friends, what's up? Welcome to a new video. My name is Alex if you guys are new here. Today is gonna be a really fun vlog. So I wanted to come on an intro because there's kind of a lot going on in this vlog and I didn't properly intro or outro at the time, of course. So I just first of all wanted to welcome you to my channel. Make sure to subscribe before you leave today. Kind of got a lot going on my channel, a lot of beauty, a lot of lifestyle, marriage life, home life, all the fun stuff, all the things. So make sure to subscribe if you aren't already. Like I said, there is a lot going on in this vlog. There's a couple recipes in here that I share with you guys, some things that I was cooking, not the healthiest things, but such is life. We also have in here our moving day. So when we moved from our apartment in Atlanta to our house, and then part of my Phoenix trip that I took a couple months back. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get right into the vlog. All right guys, I'm making some air fryer wings. I just season them up, tossing them in the air fryer. Okay, so I just flipped my wings a little bit ago. They're looking nice and crispy. So I got those going. I'm just putting together a little sauce. So I put some butter. I use the Earth Balance. This Texas Pete hot sauce is too good. I'm just gonna put some of this. I don't really have like any sort of measurement game. I just kind of eyeball everything. That's the key. Do a little garlic powder. And a little lemon pepper. I'll probably put a little more lemon pepper once the wings are done, but I'm just gonna sprinkle that. I put the butter just so that it's like more of a medium and not all the way hot. Even though the Texas Pete hot sauce, like even by itself, it's not super hot. It's like perfect. So I'm gonna turn this off so it doesn't get too crispy. And then we're just waiting on the wings. Let's grub. Okay, so the wings are done. I took a little bite of sauce and just dump it in.
Go.
A little mix. And there you have it. I made some fries because who eats wings without fries? You can't do it. Yeah, things have been hectic and crazy. We are still moving. We have pretty much been packing this entire week. I'll show you guys once I get inside how things are looking. We're actually moving today. Today's moving day. Got our truck this morning. My husband's taking care of the truck. Oh, I actually have to work a couple hours this morning and then I'll be like kind of free to help take. The dogs are gonna be like, you know, going crazy with the movers and just, it's gonna be a hectic day for us. That's why I got coffee, Smoothie King. So I got coffee, I've got breakfast for my husband and I. So it's gonna be a hectic day. We're definitely gonna need all this fuel. Hope you guys are doing okay. Pray for me, pray for my family. We really need and appreciate it. So other than that, let me just update you guys on a couple other things. So the move is happening today. We're actually moving 2.5 hours away. We have our apartment until like the first week of July. So we're moving today. We're staying the night at the house tonight, but tomorrow we're coming back to our apartment. So Sunday, I fly out of Atlanta to go home to Phoenix. So we're gonna stay the night here Saturday because my flight leaves at like 7, like kind of early. I come back to Atlanta Wednesday, and then Thursday morning we leave for Miami. We're going on a trip for our vacation for our 5-year anniversary. So it's gonna be a crazy week. But it's crazy. We're moving into our house tonight, and we won't be back until after our vacation because we're gonna be staying in Atlanta for like the next week. I'll be in Phoenix for half the week. It's just a lot. I don't know if you guys have even followed what I've said, but I'm gonna take you guys along because it's been a while since I've been able to think about vlogging. And you know, I want to vlog on my camera because the quality is so much better, but honestly Vlogging on my phone is just so much easier, so I hope you guys don't mind if the quality isn't as good. Sorry. Got my nails done yesterday. Just S&S dip. I have a plan for vacation nails, but my vacation nails are going to be like, I think I'm going to do acrylics. So they're going to be like kind of long, probably a little ratchet. I didn't want to go home for a funeral with ratchet nails. So all right, I'm starving, so I'm about to go inside, have my smoothie, drink my coffee, and then I got to start working in about an hour and a half. I'm only working for a couple hours today, so I'm kind of just going to be putting the house together, waiting for my husband to arrive with the movers, and then the fun begins. So let's get to this day. We got this move, we're doing it, we're gonna do it. Okay, bye. All right guys, so the moving is underway. We did have like, this wall was lined up with boxes. We used a lot more boxes than I thought we would, but we just kind of threw everything in boxes just to make it easy. So all we have left is like this ottoman, TVs, couple chairs, and the room is pretty much empty. Our bed is out. The boys like to chew up stuff under the bed. This dresser we're throwing away. We gotta pack this TV, and that's it. All right, we are almost empty. We are about 15 minutes out from the house, but I'm really excited. To get all our stuff moved in. So we'll check in with you guys when we get there. I broke a nail cleaning yesterday in the house. It was a very ugly break. I had just got my nails done yesterday, so that is devastating. But so depending on how it looks, I may try and go get it fixed today. I don't know what they can do because I think it might be too short. Yeah, I leave for Phoenix in the morning, so I'm just gonna be doing like quick little laundry, getting packed, and getting ready for the week. So I'll bring you guys along to the hair salon. I'm hoping I might get a coffee. I'm gonna drive by and see how it looks, because if it's not super, there's not a super long line, then we'll get some coffee, because my hair salon is right, I think it's in here. I've never been to this salon. It's an Aveda salon, so let's hope. What I want is easy, just an all over color. You really can't mess that up, I hope. So try to get some coffee, and then let's go get our hair did. Okay, I just parked, got my coffee. I can't believe how crazy I look, but this is just part of the glow up. We're gonna get there. Let's head in.
It's kind of ambiguous or like hard to explain, but basically I've known it for a few years. Which has been good. It's been
I just got out of my hair appointment. It looks so good. I just got an all over color. Just looks so fresh and healthy. I got a conditioning treatment and just like a little trim. Super happy with it. I think it's so pretty. Let's get home. Okay, so I'm home from the nail salon, the hair salon. I really like how my hair came out. It's not styled right now, but definitely love it. Had a good experience. We had to run a couple errands. We're looking for luggage, you guys. We went to Walmart, TJ Maxx, and Target, and they were all out of luggage. So I'm just here cooking some dinner, making enchiladas, some flour tortillas. You just rip them up into like little pieces like that, and then spread them across your pan. You just take your enchilada sauce and then just, I would say, do half of the can. Take your spoon and just evenly coat all of your flour tortillas, and then you're gonna take half of your meat, sorry, Russell Sparks, and just lay that across. probably could have done more me, but it's fine. We'll make it work. Okay, and now you're gonna layer some cheese. So this is just Colby Jack. Do like half of your bag. This will make like 2 layers of your enchiladas. So then you go in with your next layer of your little ripped up tortillas and just place them down. I usually do like layers of 2. My mom taught me how to make them this way. I mean, I like them like the traditional Mexican way, like rolled up, but I just don't make them that way. This is how I've always made it, kind of like casserole style. But I wanted to make this for dinner tonight so that my husband can have the leftovers for the next couple days, since I'm going to be out of town. I won't be here to cook, and just want to have some food in the house ready for him to eat.
Good enchiladas on the way, guys. It's been a while, so I'm looking forward to it. One of my favorite dishes. Can't forget the cheese.
More cheese, please.
Because I also love cheese, so more cheese.
Now we bake it for, I don't even honestly know how long. I'd say like at least 20-ish minutes. You can cover it if you want, but I'm not. I want it to get nice and crispy. Morning, friends. It's 5:20 in the morning, and we are headed to the airport. My flight doesn't leave until 7:50, but Atlanta Airport, if anyone has traveled through Atlanta, you know that it is humongous. And at any given time, it can be like a 2-3 hour wait to get through security. So we are on our way right now to hopefully make my flight. Hey friends, what's up? So it is, what time is it? 9:30 Arizona time. I just got my rental. Flight was easy breezy. I felt like it was really fast, but I mean, I always have great experiences with Southwest, so it was a good flight, you know what I mean? Took a couple naps, watched a couple movies. But yeah, so I'm headed over to meet up with Bree. I'm gonna go have breakfast with her, and then I'm gonna meet up with my family afterwards. I think me, Bree, and the girls might go and catch the game as well, because it's an early game today. So that's the plan. I need to like freshen up. It's hot as hell. I have on leather pants. But oh my god, it feels so weird to be here. It's literally been a year. So I'm in the city. I am in the city, but yep, headed over to Breeze. We're gonna grab breakfast, catch the game, and then I meet up with my fam for Father's Day. So bring you guys along with us. I'll bring you guys along with me. It's so weird traveling solo. Like, it's just, I always prefer to travel with my husband. I don't know. I mean, just being able to sit next to someone you know on the plane. I was putting on lashes on the plane, and I just felt like all like, you know. Still. Margaritas with the girls. Oh, you can boomerang. I'm vlogging.
Oh. Edit that. Okay, I think it's home. Got it?
Ready?
In and then out.
Yeah, ready, one. It's cute.
Love it.
All right, we are here. Got a good seat for the game. We're early, so we're just gonna eat some food, have a couple drinks. My eyebrow lady, and she was like, "Do you know many places?" And I was like, "Off the hook," and she's like, "Oh, I'm going there this weekend."